Hey there, it's tCheck. Today, we're covering something a little different. A frequently asked question for most of our tCheck users, a truly age-old question, and that's, how accurate is the tCheck device? Well, before we get started, it's important to note the traditional industry standard for potency testing is a lab-grade high-performance liquid chromatography machine. Unlike our own tCheck potency tester, the HPLC machine will require specialists to run. Not to mention the ticket price is about $50,000. Now, here's where things get interesting. We went ahead and ran a side-by-side comparison of tCheck's dry herb measurements against the dry herb measurements of an HPLC machine. Now, for the purpose of this test, hemp will be defined as any variety of cannabis sativa that is dominant in CBDA, while marijuana shall be defined as any variety of cannabis sativa that is dominant in THCA. We created a test sample of each sample by taking 2 ounces of dry herb of that sample and grinding it and mixing it to ensure homogeneity. Now, to make things simple, the x-axis represents results as reported by the lab, while the y-axis represents tCheck's measured potency. Each dot represents a measurement sample. The thick middle line represents the perfect correlation between tCheck's measurements and the HPLC. The upper dotted green line represents a +3 percentage point variance, while the lower dark blue dotted line represents a -3 percentage point variance. As you can see, for over 90% of the samples tested, tCheck's measurements were within 3 percentage points of HPLC's, which, considering tCheck costs 0.6% of the HPLC machine price, that's pretty amazing. Who would have known? The future is already here. tCheck. Potency perfected.